You're gonna sit in front of me.
No.
You wanna sit behind me?
No, I don't want to sit.
You can't sit next to me.
Why?
That's not how this ride works. Like you were talking about right now, the speech you just gave.
I don't.
You were brave and all that stuff.
I didn't know that I was gonna have to go by myself.
Both of my kids are crazy. Oh no, I can't sit next to you. I'm thinking about the bobsleds for some reason. False alarm. They're waiting on me. Look at all this.
Potty in the elevator. Potty in the elevator.
Hey, wrong YouTube channel. Nah, but we love those FGTV guys. Comment down below if you like FGTV too. We all like it. We do good work over there. And we're in Leixen here at Disneyland. First Halloween party. What? What does it say? It says Mickey's Halloween party. We're going to Miss Megan's house. This is the first trick-or-treat spot. Oh, spooky. Ugh, scared me.
We're right here.
Scared me too, Dal. Don't worry. Oh, look at all the web. That is cool looking. That is not creepy.
Oh wow.
Cheez-Its, we have a bunch of these in the Suburban. Look at all the cool stuff happening on top of the building. More trick-or-treating. For the baby. Perfect, thank you.
Baby for the baby.
It doesn't matter.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Sisters! This is cool. This is like super fast and all this candy we're picking up. Whoa. Oh, I got spun around. I didn't know where I was.
I know. I was like, we went through the back.
Yeah.
That was great.
So we skipped all of Main Street.
Okay, so no, like.
But there's a lot of cool stuff going on looking at.
Oh, look at that, Hayley. Look, Galileo. Galileo.
Look at that. Look at the building. Cool.
I want to get back to the fireworks show. I don't know. We're going to go potty. We got to go potty.
This is potty break 37 in an hour span. The days are starting to blend in. I think I just lost my son. I don't know. The wait times here right now are ridiculous. Everything right now is like 5-10 minute wait. I think 15 minutes max. Oh, never mind, I found my son. Can't see him, but he's down here. I know. Creepy kid. Tomorrowland. Oh, we gotta get up. We gotta get some of this action.
Everybody make some noise. We got Michael Dowski in the house. I don't know about you, but I'm just gonna shake it off.
Mike Wazowski tattoo. Thank you to my cousin Chris. Thank you. Mike Wazowski.
Is that Mike Wazowski really?
It's not Mike Wazowski. It's supposed to be something else, but it looks like Mike Wazowski. Can't hide it. Everybody knows it. What the heck are you doing down there? You tired?
We told him.
We told you to take a nap before we came. Oh my god, I think we're all about to ride the Astro Orbiter. Rory's in the rocket with us. Hey!
Hey.
Hey! No jumping! Oh. And here we go.
Yay!
Yeah, baby! We're coming in for a landing.
The Astro Orbiter is now beginning its descent. Welcome back, pilot.
We made it. He's filming. We gotta go say hi.
Astro Blasters!
The Astro Orbiter. For your safety, intergalactic regulations require that you remain seated with your seat.
Can we get a picture with you guys?
Sure.
Dude, you guys are awesome. You guys are so good. These kids love you guys too.
That's so cool.
Oh my gosh, we see you guys on our TV.
I'm gonna get you guys. Whoa, I'm still recording.
We got it.
Hayley, what just happened?
We just saw Justin's card.
Yeah,
And he
so
took a picture with us.
yeah, so we're gonna insert the picture here now. We saw Allie too.
Allie was Coraline.
She was Coraline. She looked really cute.
Well, Justin, he's just his plain old self.
He's plain old self, but he's a cool old self. We're gonna put a link to his page. If you don't know him, don't follow him. Check him out. He's everything Disney. He's everything weird. He's everything strange. Really cool, positive guy. Check him out. We were really stoked to see him. Space Mountains taken over by Halloween, rethemed with Ghost Galaxy. Whoa. 5 minutes.
Our friendly ghost Dolores over here follows you around.
Dolores, she has a name.
Insider secret.
Thank you.
That's an insider
You heard it here. All right. So Dallas isn't gonna get on the ride now because his mom scared him.
It's okay. I'm scared too, and I'm going on it because I'm brave.
It's gonna be interesting. I've never seen it. I've never been
Well, that's
on this
what
ride
the guide
before.
told us. The guide told us. I'm just guessing that Dolores is gonna take over, and she's gonna make this a crazy ride.
Look at how fast this line is moving. I think it takes longer to walk there than wait. That looks interesting. Huh?
Can you squeeze me on this ride?
I don't know. You're gonna sit in front of me.
No.
You wanna sit behind me?
No, I don't want to sit.
You can't sit next to me.
Why?
That's not how this ride works.
Really?
Yeah.
Then I'm getting off.
Oh, that's just great. What happened to the talk you were talking about right now? The speech you just gave?
I don't.
You were brave and all that stuff.
I didn't know that I was gonna have to go by myself. I'm scared.
You're not going by yourself. I'm going with you. Oh my god. Both of my kids are crazy. Oh no, I can't sit next to you. I'm thinking about the bobsleds for some reason. False alarm. I got you, fool. I got you. Oh, that means we're gonna be right in the front. So that means that we're not going first. You know who's going first? They're going first.
Not funny.
Be brave. Here we go. good. That is scary. That's Dolores trying to break out of the building. I think she has a tummy ache. I think that's what it is. What the heck? Oh, it's delayed. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna focus on certain rides that we can get on that have changed theming. So let's see what other action we can get in before our time is up. Oh, we found another treat trail.
Never tour.
Look at all that. The good stuff too.
Yeah, Disney don't play.
No, they don't. No expense spared.
Nice. Hi, Princess. Happy Halloween. Yeah. My dad, remember my dad was like, oh,
Winnie, I smell children.
oh, scary.
What is in there? We're just gonna keep on moving. We don't have a whole lot of time left. We want to try to get at least 2 more rides in. Look at all this.
They had the show. I don't know if they're gonna do it anymore though. They had the Cadaver Dance.
Oh my God! Look at Haunted Mansion. Is that like I don't know if you can see it. Let me zoom in. So again, being noobs to vlogging and everything, the batteries on the main camera pretty much dead, barely alive. This GoPro is also at like 15%, which might die at the end of this ride. But this is probably gonna be the last ride of the night. We really noob styled this trip. And that's okay, now we know for next time what we can do better. We didn't see everything we wanted to see. We didn't ride our normal rides that we like to ride. I still enjoyed it. I still enjoyed everything that we did accomplish. But we're gonna end the night with a splash, if you will. So it's just me and Hayley. And there's only a 5-minute wait for it, so you're not gonna not go on Splash Mountain.
This is one of our favorite rides.
Have a zippity-doo-dah ride.
Zippity-doo-dah ride. My pink eye. My pink eye's kicking in. If you look at the lights, are they all cloudy and fuzzy? Because mine are.
It's a really nice ride. Sometimes you don't even have to hold on.
Again, I recommend doing this trip. We will do it again one day in the future. We'll plan a lot better. Now we know what to expect. We know what we can and can't do in that time frame, so we can focus on things. We didn't even get to see the parades. We didn't even get to see the only single fireworks show. Okay, here's the first drop.
Whoa, I barely got a sprinkle.
That booty dough! That scared me.
Maybe this one is yours. And wait till you see that old rare rabbit.
Camera's still blinking, so that means the camera made it through too for filming. Saw Hayley, Rambo, and the queue line.
Candy home.
Rory, dump your bag.
Hey guys, thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it. If you guys like what we did here, go ahead and hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and of course hit that bell notification. That lets you know when the next video is up. You will get a notification saying, hey, new video is up from Team Random World. Now make sure you keep an eye out for our next video when we hit up Universal Studios. Till then, we're out. And remember, always stay random.